Thank you for joining us today on Digital Atoms. In today's video, we'll be unboxing the Taptes floor mats for your Tesla. And one of the reasons I went with these was because they were cheaper than the 3D Max premium floor mats, and all the reviews that I had seen said they were just as good. We will see. One of the big things that I liked about it was that it did not have some big 3D emblem on the mats, as I like to have my car look more minimalistic, and so that's why I went with these. So that's what we will be unboxing today. At the time of purchasing these, I paid $250 for them, and they did come from China, and I literally got emails telling me that they were on the ship, not to worry, they will be here. And it did take a few weeks, but that's okay. Before we actually unbox them, I did want to show you and talk about the mats that do come with the Tesla, and I will say that they are not premium. They are very cheaply made. My guess is they probably thought that most people are going to replace them, so why put much effort into it? However, it would have been nice if they would have sent premium mats with their cars. They do sell their own brand. However, I think I have a friend that has a Tesla, and I would say they're probably lacking a little bit more than what most people would want out of their floor mat. But let's have a look. And if we see, it does come with this so that your foot does not destroy your carpet. However, as you can probably see, it's pretty cheap. They do have some Velcro underneath. One of the things that I don't like is that they do not cover the carpet right here, and these new ones, I believe they do. So let's go have a look. So this is probably the one that goes in the trunk. Actually, that's the mat for our back seat. There's our mat for our driver's side. And here we go for our passenger side. That looks like the mat for our front. And we have another one. I believe that goes in the trunk in the bottom storage. And then here we are with our mat for the trunk. My initial impression is feel as premium as I probably expected. However, I don't see any reason why that this would not last. It does have a very nice rubbery feel and texture. So let's go ahead and put the driver's side in and see what happens. Let's get this thing in there. From everything I've seen, it has a very snug fit, and that's something that I like. And it does have a very, very snug fit. Well, I do like it. I love that it covers a portion of this so that my feet don't mess it up. And yeah, very snug. I like the way that it comes up along the sides here. I guess as far as we can tell, it should last quite a while. I do like The fact that it does come up the side, because when I do drive, I do put my left foot there. And I like how it's snug on the side over here. Yeah. Let's go ahead, and I'm gonna go ahead and put all of mats in, and we'll see what it looks like.
A few moments later.
Well, I got these things installed, and as I showed you already on the driver's side, it fits very snug. Very happy with that. Let's go have a look on the other side. And here we go on the passenger side. It also has a very nice snug fit. I do like how they even had attention to detail over here where they the corner, they made it so that it will bend and fit perfectly in there. Let's have a look in the back. And here we go in the back seat. I like the way that it fits also. I'm actually really impressed. There is a little bowing right here. However, I'm sure after a few days in the nice hot weather, it'll probably flatten itself out. But I like it a lot. Here we are in the frunk. It also it's bowing a little bit. I'm hoping that this will settle. However, it does have a little wiggle room. It doesn't fit as tight as you might have thought compared to the inside. But honestly, at this point, I'm not even sure what I'm going to use the frunk for. I just know that this came with the whole set, that if I wanted to get the trunk, so that's the reason why I bought it. And we shall see. Let's go have a look in the trunk. And here we have our trunk. One of the biggest things that I like about these mats, that not all of them do, is that here it has a crease, so when you lift it up the secret place, it will bend with it. And let's have a look down there. And there's the little mat for that section. So overall, I love the trunk mat also. Well, that completes the installation of these Taptes floor mats. And again, just to reiterate, the reason why I went with them was so I didn't have to deal with the 3D Max emblem that they put into their mats. Hopefully in the future they'll decide to come out with one that's more minimalistic. However, they could probably put the emblem in a different spot. We shall see how durable these are in the future. But as of right now, if I was to rate them between a 1 and a 5 star, 5 star being the best, I'd probably go with a 4.5. And that's mostly because a couple of spots, especially in the trunk, I felt like it was a little bit too long, so it didn't quite fit as well. However, on the interior, I had no problem with the mats fitting, and I'm very happy with how it turned out. We should see how they work when I go through a Maine winter, and when we get some snow and some ice on my feet and a little bit of salt. We shall see how they turn out. Thank you everyone for joining us today on Digital Atoms. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Adios.